Welcome back to Work Hard RC. Today we're going to be speaking with Dan, who owns MyTrickRC. We're going to be checking out some of his lights, also his new products. And if you guys want to check him out on Instagram, it is MyTrickRC on Instagram. You can also check out his Scale City builds he has on his social media. He'll be on display at Pull Line by the Fire as well if you guys are going to be attending that. So let's go and get into it, see what he has to show us. Hi everybody, I'm Dan from MyTrickRC, and these are our exciting new products that we're launching right here at the NERSA show. The first really big one is our new light whips. So these are our trick whips, and we had trick whips before. This is the Gen 2, and one of the biggest features, it has a spring on there, so all of these guys are spring loaded. Another really cool thing, they have ability to add a flag to them. So we have a variety of different flags that we're going to be coming out with. Right off the bat, and I'm sure we'll be adding more as time goes on. One of the other cool things is we now have 3 different sizes of trick whips. So originally we just had the medium size. Now we have a shorter version, got a medium, and then the full longer version for like your 5th scale vehicles. One of the really cool things with these, you can combine 2 of them together, so you can get that really sick on your like your buggies or your truggies out in the desert. Get the dual whips with the flags on there. It'll have a perfect scale look to it. So our trick whips is one of our biggest new products, and one of the other things we're coming out with is underglow packages. So we're going to do a full series of different colors and varieties. Very simple kits. They'll all be plug and play directly to your receiver. So they'll have a simple little control module, and they're kind of universal. You'll be able to put them on pretty much any vehicle that you want to add underglow to it. This one is specific for the Gorgon, Quake, and all the trucks of that platform. But we'll do a whole series of them for what kind of generic vehicles, whatever vehicle you may have. And then our last big thing that we're introducing here at this show is we're doing kits for all of the Groms. So if you have a Granite or a Mojave or a Typhoon, we're going to have really cool, simple plug-and-play kits. Here's an example of one. This isn't the final example, but it's a very similar. So they have a really cool light bar in the front, lights on the tail light, and the wiring is super minimal. No drilling required in this kit. It just works with all of the stuff that's already there. Very clean and plug and play. Same thing with the Granite kit. Granite kit will be very simple, basic. It does require a little bit of drilling for the headlights and the taillights, but very minimal. It's a very clean, simple plug and play kit. And those are our big products that we're introducing right now here at NERSA. And but we have some other cool stuff coming later on in the year and early into next year. So yeah, that's what we got.